Hello everybody, in this video today I want to show you how to stop ping lag, which means not FPS lag but ping lag when you're lagging in game and rubber banding, and you can solve that. So we'll go through 3 ways and I'll start with the first one. The first one is pretty obvious. Check that you're not downloading anything, because when you're downloading you're slowing the Wi-Fi and you could be rubber banding. And also turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone maybe and ask your family members or anyone who's in the house and also using the Wi-Fi to turn it to turn off their downloads so you don't lag all the time. The second way is you have to go on speed test and just check your internet speed, and also just check if the ping is okay on the speed test. This can be done easily. Just go speedtest.net, I think, whatever it's called, by Ookla, and check that. And after that, what you want to do and what I've done is you want to check this place here. So before you're going to battle, there's this thing, so you want to press this and you want to do this, select servers. So here you can select the servers that you're playing. So let's say you're in Europe, right, and you only got USA. You're gonna be playing with people from the USA and you're gonna be having 200 ping. So you want to disable that, just turn Europe, so you're playing in Europe. If you're in Russia, you can probably play Russia and Europe, and if you're in America, I mean United States, you can do this, and South America, I think that's South America, that's United States. So yeah, but you don't want to leave everything on because it may put you in the server that has the most people, in maybe USA. So just keep that in mind and be playing on the right server. For me it's EU, so I'm just going to be playing on EU. And that's the tutorial. Believe me or not, I was playing this whole time when I was playing before on US and RU servers. I ticked Europe now, but I was playing on US mainly, and I was lagging 200 ping sometimes, sometimes 300, and it was really annoying. So just make sure that you got this and maybe this, whatever you want to. So yeah, if this helped you out, please leave a like and also subscribe. I'll be doing more tutorials on games, on everything. So if you subscribe, you'll be able to see all that content in your notifications feed. So yeah, that's the tutorial. See you later.